let's solve some more questions. Okay. How can a P3O directly support effective teamwork between program managers located in different regions? Option A, appoint a P3O sponsor for each region. Option B, implement the portfolio prioritization and optimization technique. Support the fast track mobilization of the program and implement standard collaborative tools. So now the question, how P3O directly support effective teamwork between program managers located in different geographical regions. Appoint a P3O sponsor for each region, that is not possible. That can be possible in the hub portfolio kind of office. That too very difficult. Implement the portfolio prioritization technique and optimization technique. That again not the right things to do. Support the fast track mobilization of the program, that is again not very convenient things to do. So D would be the most correct answer, that you have a standard collaborative tool across the different geographical region. So everyone should update the things in that particular tool. So I believe D would be the most correct answer. Yeah, that is, and the justification is also given. If you wanted to go through it, you can go through it by pausing the video. Let me move to the next. Question number 297. To check the quality of the decision support information being provided to the P3O, which technique is used? Option A, get and review technique. Yes, that is a technique. Process streamline is not a decision enable technique, that is you can straight away discard. Capacity planning and resource management, that again not a technique for a quality of decision support system. And management dashboard, that can be used. So you can straight away discard B and C. Your option A and D is the correct one. They further you can deep dive to check the quality of the decision support information provided to the P3O, which technique used. So get and review is a technique by after completion of each stage you have a governing body sit and assess what went well, what not up to the mark. So A would be the correct answer. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, let me. Question 298. What kind of people skills required for a portfolio? Okay, for a portfolio office should be resourced with the people wanting move into the project management. Skills of portfolio office staff are the same as those in a COE. That is not the correct. Need enough people who are able to interpret it and challenge the data. Skill required for a portfolio office. Should resource with a large number of administrative staff. That is not the correct answer. Should be resource with the people wanting to move in project management. That is seems to be correct. Skills of portfolio office staff are the same. Those role in a COE. Need enough people who are able to interpret and challenge data. I believe C and A both are the correct, but in a given context, because they are situated in the portfolio office, C would be the most correct answer, because they not just interpret the data but they question the data, the accuracy of the data also, that garbage in garbage out. So you have a people who can have insight of the things, they can interpret the data, they question the data. So C would be the most correct answer. Yeah, that is the correct one. Let's move to the next question, 299. Who as a minimum should review the resourcing of a program office while it's running? Head of a P3O and a sponsor, head of program as a minimum should review the resourcing of a program office while it is running. Head of a P3O and the sponsor, head of the program office, program manager of the relevant program, P3O sponsor and portfolio analyst, and head of COE and a program specialist. Minimum should review the resourcing of the program office. Here, program office is the key. So, head of the P3O and P3O sponsor is not appointed at a program office, they are at permanent head office. Head of program office and the program manager for the relevant program, that is the correct answer. P3O sponsor is not appointed at a program office, head of COE is not appointed at program office. So B would be the correct answer. Let's see the answer. Yes, that is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. How does an information portal help the P3O to improve the PPM maturity? Option A, through an internet site showing the temperature and guidance. That is the correct answer, but still review other options. By documenting business process streamlinedness, maybe. Let's see what are other options available. So yes, that is the correct answer, as you see over here, that through internet site showing the temperature and guidance by documenting business process streamlinedness, that seems not to be the correct. Using a program and project management forum, that again not that up to the appropriate capacity plan, that is for resource management. Okay, I believe that is also not the correct. So A would be the most correct answer. Yes, that you had already discussed that. Thank you very much.